Are you ready to unbox the OneWheel?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Right there, over there.
Let's go.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Oh, jeez. Which box is it? The kiddie poo one?
Daddy.
Or this one? This one?
This one.
Let's open it.
Let's open it.
You get one end, I get one end. Ready, set.
Go, go.
Oh my gosh, this thing is huge.
Okay.
Ready,
Ready,
set.
set, go.
Oh my gosh.
Dad, where do you go?
No joke.
Dad,
This is so heavy. Oh, don't drop it.
go, let's open it. Hello, buddy. Welcome to the channel. Here, open this box.
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it.
All right, so I've been watching a lot of unboxing videos on YouTube and they always have these like really expensive, cool knives. So I went to my drawer and I found this screw to a shelf that I failed to. Oh, it's right here. I tried hanging it up in the bathroom. Anyways, we're using a screw. Okay, buddy, let's open this thing.
Hey, buddy, let's open this thing. Dad, what are we gonna
We're gonna open it.
do? Okay.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna open it too, Dad. What's inside? What's inside, Dad?
What is it, buddy?
What is it, buddy?
Okay, you can open it, bud.
Okay, now.
Open this piece.
Okay. Dad, what is it? I don't know, what is that? Should we open it and see what's inside?
Wow.
You gonna pick it up?
Yeah, dude. All right, let's get this thing out of here. Oh, check this out. It has a handle.
Oh, Dad, look.
Look at that beast.
Look at that.
So simple.
Beast, Dad. Dad, do it.
Okay. So two things in the box.
You
We've
need
got the OneWheel.
one wheel.
Okay, it's heavy,
Okay, it's
but
heavy.
I mean, that's not too bad. It's my first OneWheel and I don't know what to expect. I was expecting, I mean, it is heavy. It's totally heavy. You wouldn't want to be lugging this thing around, but
Mom, let's go.
I mean, first impression,
Daddy, look, let's go sit
I mean, yeah, I don't think it's terribly heavy.
Hey.
Okay, before I take this stuff off, let me bring the camera down here and kind of show you guys up close. There's two things in the box. Got the OneWheel GT and charger. So we went ahead and bought the hypercharger. I honestly don't know much about the OneWheel, and I got it on Black Friday, so there's a bunch of accessories and I just got them. I didn't know it came with a normal charger. I should assume it did, but I just got whatever my brother-in-law got because he already has an XR and he really wanted the hypercharger. So we've got the normal charger, maybe a backup charger. And then in that box there that we unboxed a couple videos ago, we got the hypercharger and a few accessories for this beast here. So we got all the papers, build your dream setup. Owner's manual. Probably take this to work with me tonight and kind of thumb through that before I charge it up and everything. Oh, stickers. Before I charge it up and everything, just to get the feel for what I should do to keep it good for as long as possible. So in this video, I'm not going to necessarily drive it because I have to leave for work soon, but I will read through this tonight and we will probably ride this thing tomorrow. Okay, so got the treaded tire. Oh, it feels so nice. Rounded edges. The XR has a square tire. Jace has already been riding his and he says it definitely does have some wobble to it. Not the actual tire's not wobbly, but you kind of feel those round edges compared to the flat XR tire. So you just got to make sure you're taking it slow at first. This handle here, really excited about that. That's a really cool upgrade that they have that to carry, but I've seen a few videos where they say this rattles when they're riding, so who knows if that'll stay on for long. Oh, this is so cool. You love it, bud?
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun, huh, buddy?
It's gonna be fun.
All right. We got the quick start guide. Oh, maybe I'll just, I don't know, I want to freaking charge it up today. Or maybe it is, maybe we'll try turning it on. Quick start guide. Get on, wear a helmet, lean on a friend to get started, come up to balance slowly, ride, dismount. All right, this thing's awesome. I want to get my fenders and all that on. Maybe I'll bust those out right now. So I went and got the fender. I think it looks so cool without the fender on it though. Fender for it. And then I've got some of these. Liam, can you tear that off?
Yeah.
Ooh, wow, that is some good grip tape. Do you feel that, buddy?
Hey, Dad.
Is that good?
Hey, Dad. Let's open it.
Yeah, tear that one off.
Okay.
Good job, buddy. Pull it down. Oh, good.
Okay, Dad.
Notice the concaving, how it kind of dips in. That feels really, really good.
What is that? What is this?
I'm confused. Did I buy just like black ones and it comes with black ones already on it? So maybe I should have got a different color. I have no idea what I'm doing. We do have one of these coming, or not coming. We Jace ordered them, so we do have these plugs. The GT and the XR, they don't come with the plugs that cover up where it plugs in, which is very stupid because this is a over a $2,000 electric vehicle and it doesn't come with a plug to keep the water out. So that's kind of dumb. This thing's really cool. Should we just turn it on? See if it turns on? No, I should probably download the app first. Well, screw it. Should I get on it, buddy?
Yes! Take it on.
I'm scared.
Now what are you trying to do? Dad, what are you trying to eat?
Ooh! Okay. Oh, we're sending it.
Daddy.
I have no shoes on. Turn, turn. I'm a beginner one-wheeler in my house with no shoes on. It's probably not the smartest idea.
Dad, look at you doing it.
I'm doing it, bud. I can already tell that rounded wheel's nice just to lean.
Daddy, turn. Dad, and
Woo!
Mom, where'd you go?
Maybe I can just, look at that. I can just spin because I'm on my hard floor.
Dad, are you spinning?
Yeah, buddy.
Daddy.
We're doing it, buddy. Oh geez, oh geez, yeah, that rounded wheel. Okay, I need to get off this thing. That rounded wheel just kind of wanted to flop over. Oh my gosh, that thing is awesome. I'm so excited to take it for a rip. All right, guys, I'm just gonna leave it at that. I'm not gonna go too crazy with this video so it doesn't get super long. This is our OneWheel GT. Very, very pumped for it. It is such a nice piece of machinery here. We're gonna get out and learn how to ride this thing, take you guys along for the adventure. It's gonna be super fun. I can already tell this was a really good purchase. Bruh. Yeah, I'm gonna get these put on it, kind of look into the accessories I got. I'm kind of bummed out that I got black. I don't know what I was thinking. Like, it comes with this stuff, so why did I buy extra? I just got a little too excited, I guess. That was awesome, buddy.
It was awesome,
Give me 5. We'll bust it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm so excited to get out on the OneWheel GT. We are just so happy that the YouTube channel stuff's going good, that we finally got our one wheel, and I hope it doesn't have any of the problems that I was worried about. We'll keep you guys updated. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And we will keep you updated on how things are going. Appreciate you guys being here, and we'll see you in the next one.
We'll see you in the next one. Bye! it.